Want to know how to use stress and intonation to improve your English speaking? Watch the video and find out how. Here we go. So first, let's define what we mean by stress and intonation. Stress is the emphasis we place on certain syllables in a word, and intonation refers to the rising and falling of our pitch as we speak. So why are stress and intonation important for English learners? Well, they can help you communicate more effectively and make your speech more natural sounding. Without them, your speech may sound flat and monotonous. Let's start with stress. In English, we usually stress one syllable more than others in a word. For example, in the word photograph, we stress the second syllable, photograph. Here are some common stress patterns in English. Two-syllable words. Stress the first syllable. For example, apple. Three-syllable words, we stress the second syllable. For example, banana. Four-syllable words or more, we stress the third syllable from the end. Photograph. Now, let's talk about intonation. Intonation is the rising and falling of our pitch as we speak. It can convey different meanings and emotions. For example, a rising intonation at the end of the sentence usually indicates a question. Here are some common intonation patterns in English. Falling intonation at the end of the sentence for a statement. I'm going to the store. Question. Rising intonation at the end of the sentence. Are you going to the store? Excitement or surprise. Rising and falling intonation. Wow, you got a promotion. Now let's practice using stress and intonation in a sentence. Here's a simple sentence. I love ice cream. First, let's add some stress. We stress the first syllable in love and the second syllable in cream. So the sentence becomes, I love ice cream. Now let's add some intonation. We use falling intonation at the end of a statement. So the sentence becomes, I love ice cream. I love ice cream. So by using stress and intonation, you can make your speech sound more natural and expressive. There's also several methods and tips that you can use to improve your pronunciation. Number 1, listen and imitate. ESL learners can improve their pronunciation by listening to native speakers and imitating their pronunciation. They can watch videos or listen to audio recordings and repeat the words and sentences they hear. 2. Practice regularly. Consistent practice is key to improving pronunciation. ESL learners should practice speaking every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. 3. Use a mirror. Looking in a mirror can help learners see how their mouth and facial muscles move when they speak. This can help them identify areas that need improvement. 4. Record and listen. Recording your own voice and listening to it can help you identify pronunciation mistakes and make corrections. Step 5. Work with a tutor or a language partner. A tutor or a language partner can provide feedback on pronunciation and help learners identify areas that need improvement. I can also help you with this if you're interested, so just follow the links below if you would like to work on your pronunciation. 6. Learn phonetics. Learning about the sounds of the language through phonetics can help learners understand how to pronounce sounds correctly and improve overall pronunciation. 7. Focus on stress and intonation. As we mentioned before, paying attention to stress and intonation patterns of a language can help learners sound more natural when speaking. And step 8, use online resources. There's so many online resources available that can help you improve your pronunciation. Search for pronunciation exercises, phonetic charts, and pronunciation videos. By using these methods and tips, you can improve your pronunciation and become more confident when speaking in English. So I hope you found that useful, and I hope you are now more confident in using stress and intonation to improve your speaking in English. If you would like some more help or guidance in improving your pronunciation and using stress and intonation, just follow the links below. Feel free to write in the comments. Make sure you subscribe and like the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Bye.